Welcome to another Physed and Minor Games video. The game we're going to be looking at today is called Ambrose Footy Golf. The equipment you're going to need for this game is ideally a football field with goalposts, one football per player, and around about 6 cones per class. Now the way this game works, you'd start off with teams of approximately 3 players, so you'll have 2 teams competing against each other. So you'll have here a black team and a blue team. Now each player has to start with a ball, and the way the game works is the black team competing against the blue team are seeing who can actually complete the hole in the least amount of shots. First thing you need to do is you need to set up the hole. So you need a cone per competition. So you see here we've got 1 cone for that first competition between the blue and the black team. We'll say here that the blue team have designated that the hole is going to be, you have to go around the right hand side of that cone and then kick a goal. So we might say this is around about, say, a par 4. We won't need both teams, so I'll get rid of the blue team just to show you how the game works, and we won't even need the players. That being said, we'll just use the balls. So you've got the 3 players here. Starting from the starting position, the first player kicks his ball, the second player kicks his ball, and the third player kicks his ball. And then what they do as a team is they decide which one puts them in the best position, and they take that ball, and the other 2 players will actually move to that person. So you can see here the ball down the bottom, they've decided that's the best ball for them to use, so the other 2 players pick their balls up and they head over towards that player's ball. Now the player who had the best kick, he goes first, he kicks the second kick, and then the other 2 players then in turn take their kicks. They've decided that the ball at the top, that's in the best position, so the other 2 players pick the balls up, head over to that position, and they then continue that process. So all 3 of them had their kicks. You can see there the first kick actually went on the wrong side of the cone, so that one won't be counting, you can't use that one. Second player, he's kicked it, probably gone a little bit too far, headed over to the boundary, and the third player, he's kicked it. That's not a bad one, so that gives him a chance to have a shot from that angle. So the other 2 players have decided, yep, that's the best one, so they move the balls to them. The first player, he has his shot, he's sprayed that one across the face of goal, so there's no good. Second player, he's had a shot, he's actually hit the nearest goalpost, and the third player, he's had a shot and he's actually kicked the goal. So that means that that team took 4 shots to complete that hole. So their score is 4, and they've just got to hope that they have a better score or lower amount of shots than the opposing team. And that's how you play Ambrose Footy Golf. For more minor game ideas and resources, head to physed.com.au or subscribe to the Physed YouTube channel. Thank you.